This is Home Science for class 12, and we are concluding the topics of the chapter Consumer Education and Protection. So far, we had been doing the meaning of consumer education, consumer, standard marks, responsibilities of consumers, rights of consumers. Now we are taking the skills required for a career in the field of consumer studies and how you can utilize this knowledge in your life as your career also. So that is scope of consumer education, and for that what skills are required to be in this field, that we are going to do. So skills required for a career in the field of consumer studies. You can say it consumer studies also. First, one should have knowledge about consumer protection mechanisms and redressal agencies. We have done about all these in the previous parts also. Then one must possess the qualities that are soft skills like good communication and interpersonal skills, understanding attitude, good listener, etc. One must be able to interact softly with the consumers so that they can make them understand what they want to have and what are their problems. Then one must be creative in developing programs, advertisements, talks for consumer awareness. And most of you have this quality. Then writing skills, that also you have. Writing skill for developing educational material for consumer education. Like we are also taking help of that content only, that is helping in spreading the awareness about the consumer education. So writing skill for developing educational material for consumer education, then reporting consumer tests of consumer products. Then willingness, which is very important. One must have this wish to work in this field. So willingness to help fellow consumers and public at large. How to protect them from being cheated and how to make them aware about consumer items and products and services. Then one must have the knowledge of and about the quality standards of various kinds of products, adulteration and detection of adulterants, consumer protection laws, consumer rights and responsibilities. These things also should be known in detail, thoroughly, by the person who wants to be in this field. Then what are the courses options? What can you do? What type of courses you have to pursue to be in this field? You can go for degree course in BSc Home Science or BA Home Science. Children, don't take this subject just like that. It has wide scope. You can utilize this subject in so many ways that will be so helpful to you in your life as your career. So please take this subject seriously. Each and every chapter can lead you to heights. So you can go for BSc Family Resources Management also. Which one? Family Resources Management or BSc Home Management. Then BSc Resource Management. One is Family Resource Management, the other is Resource Management only. Then Bachelor of Business Administration also, BBA. Okay, and Bachelor in Business Studies also. In different institutions, it may be known as, this subject is known as Consumer Studies, Consumer Education, Consumer Behavior, and Consumer in the Market, etc. So this subject is known in different institutions by these names also. Now what is the scope of this subject. Following areas have this options for scope. You can work in the government organization with the help of this subject in your graduation level. You can work in government organization like BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, then Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Ministry of Consumer Affairs. See, so important departments and areas in government sector you can have. In various decision making, managerial and technical position, you can work here in these organizations, government organization, as what? The part of the team of decision making or managerial and technical position. Then voluntary consumer organization for product testing. Then awareness about the consumer education. Then consumer empowerment, publication of magazines, etc. You can work here also. Then consumer corporate houses that are dealing with complaints, suggestions, feedbacks, etc. Then market research organization, you can work here also for products, their reaction, how to make the product reach the consumers. Then consumer behavior, then the acceptance of the product by the consumers, how to make it acceptable, usable by the consumers to convince them. Then you can have your own organization also to deal with all those things that we have done in this chapter. Then you can work in National Consumer Helpline, as for counseling, redressal, feedback, to help the consumers. You can work as for helping these things in National Consumer Helpline also. Then you can work as consultant club run by school or colleges, etc., that provide the material for consumer studies as teaching assignments. Then you can work as freelance also for redressal, guidance, etc., through consumer courts and other redressal mechanisms also. Then you can work with the Department of Audiovisual Publicity as content developer for advertisements of various products, services, etc., that you also see in TV also, newspapers also, magazines also, that promote the product or services. You can work there also as which department? Department of Audio Visual Publicity, like for polio also, for various diseases, their prevention or services, policies, health policies, etc. You can work in audiovisual department also. Then you can work as an analyst in consumer testing laboratories. You can work as a analyst also in the laboratories of consumer education related departments for comparative evaluation of products, because one product is not prepared and manufactured and made by one person or company or factory only. It is produced by many. So you can compare which product is having which features or which qualities. You can also improve or do something. Then you can become consumer activist also, and with some legal training you can plead the cases in consumer protection courts also. So you see, this is one chapter only that has so many fields waiting for you to work there and make your good career individually, independently, as well as by being the part of any government organization. Thank you.